Hello, my dudes. Rob from OpenSourceEV here, and today I am thrilled to talk about the NextGen seatback tablet mount. It is a complete, clean sheet redesign of our most popular product. And we think it enhances the version 2 seatback tablet mount in a bunch of awesome ways. In testing, it has proven to be over 300% stronger than the outgoing model. That means you can hang heavier tablets off of it without a worry. Second, we revised the internal dimensions to make installation and removal a much easier process while securely keeping it in place, regardless of where you sit. You just tilt it and pull it, and vice versa to reinstall. Third is the mounting ball the holder attaches to. Notice it sticks out from the mount significantly farther. We've received some feedback that trying to get your fingers between the ball and the mount is difficult, so we wanted to space it further away. Last but not least, the new version also includes the formerly optional felt pad used for protection. After clicking it in over the hook, it now rests on this felt pad, which is especially important for the new Ascent trim. So let's take a look at assembly and then installation, and then we'll come back here for a wrap up at the end. Assembly is super easy. You have your base, a bolt, a T-nut, a 17mm ball and or hook depending on version, and the felt pad. Let's assemble. Insert the T-nut into the receptacle in the base. It should stay in place. Flip it over. Insert the ball or hook onto the other side of the base. It should also stay in place. Insert the bolt inside of the 17mm ball, and then screw it down. All you'll need is a regular sized Phillips head screwdriver. It just has to be snug. Try not to over tighten it. Next, we're going to flip the seatback tablet mount over and install the adhesive felt pad. Note, there is a groove for it on the back of the base. Get it nice and tight in there. Voila, you are ready to go. Let's go install it. We suggest installing the holder on the mount before you put it in the car. Start by undoing the friction nut on the back of the holder and placing it over the 17mm ball. Next, snap the 17mm ball onto the holder. Then slide the friction nut back onto the holder and thread righty-tighty. Be careful not to cross thread, as you won't be able to get it tight enough and it may damage the holder. Now let's go install it into your Rivian. Installation in your Rivian is with a satisfying. It can then be angled however you'd like. When not in use, the seatback tablet mount should be stored in the rear seat door pocket. The OpenSourceEV NextGen seatback tablet mount is available in 3 different options. The first option is just the mount itself. This is great if you have a third-party tablet holder that you really like, or if you're just looking to replace a generic tablet holder with something that is Rivian specific. The next option is the kit, with the NextGen seatback tablet mount and our OpenSourceEV tablet holder as well. It's everything that you need to mount a tablet on the hook on the back of the front seat in the Rivian. We went through many options before finally identifying this as our tablet holder. It is simple, unbranded, and it doesn't rattle when you go over bumps, something that is remarkably difficult to find when you really look. The third and final version also includes the optional hook. The hook swaps in instead of the ball mount for occasions where you don't need the tablet holder. Just unbolt the 17mm ball mount and bolt on the hook instead. The OpenSourceEV NextGen seatback tablet mount is available to ship today from OpenSourceEV.com. An announcement about additional distribution channels will be coming shortly. Sign up to our newsletter to be first to know about new products, updates to existing products, and additional distribution channels today. Thanks again for watching this video. This is Rob from OpenSourceEV, and I'll catch you in the next one.